People, so oh no no say ever since the incident happened between me and the grandmother of my son, a supervised visitation me depend, right? Now normally the social worker them will organize some activities for me and my son to do together, like some bonding activities like playing games and stuff like that for us to do, right? Now at our last meeting that we had, the social worker turned to me and said for the next meeting coming up, she wants us to do crepe making activity. Now for those of you who do not know what crepe is a French food, right? That coming like pancake or waffle. Well, it kind of mostly coming like pancake. It's a thinner version of pancake, right? It's the same principle. You mix up the mixture, the butter, and you pour it into the hot skillet. Or them have a crepe making machine, just like a waffle making machine, and you make them, right? Cool. It sounds like a good activity, right? Not true? Cool. Me down with that. Me ready for that. You understand? Until the social worker I will turn to my son and say, my son is responsible to take the butter, yes, to take the mixture to the appointment. Now my son a little pitney. My son can't make crepe batter by himself. So who and him are going to make that the crepe batter together? Not the grandmother. Now, I don't know why the social worker think that was going to be a good idea, because immediately when me hear that, I turned to the social worker and I said, no, 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 no. Because I don't know why them feel like say me, I go feel comfortable to eat from somebody who try put me in a jail, my love, and I try crucify me. So the way me see that woman, they sit down and ball crocodile tears and tell some lie in a police station for me, my love, and me if you go eat something what she prepare a fear yard. No, 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 my love. So I expressed to the social worker, them say, yeah, change that the activity, them. Let we do something else. Now, people, tell me why me show up to this meeting only to see the social worker, them, fix up crepe making machine and fit it up and all of these things. So me sit on shock, because me I say clearly it's like something them never hear what me say. It's like them ignore what me say totally. You understand me I try to say, but me say no. Let me sit down calm, tranquil and cool. Now tell me why me see my son busting at the door with a whole container full of crepe making mixture, my love, well prepared and packaged by the grandmother. No, people, we are big people, right? Right. So even though I know I'm not eating none, I say, okay, let me go ahead and participate in the activity, because at the end of the day, it's still an activity. I not have to eat none. At the end of the day, yeah, it's an activity. So let me do the activity. So when the machine well hot and everything, and we make the crepe them, the social worker call my son to come make the crepe. My son still don't play with him toys, them love. My son have no interest in this crepe making activity. So me still don't look at the social worker them, because me I say in my mind say, clearly me don't tell you no say, me no want this activity and the little pitney not interested in this activity either. So like this was a no-go, like why, why push this, yeah. Anyway, people, tell me why the social worker herself take up the butter and start to making the crepe. So she make one for my son, and she make one for me, and then proceed to call my son over to come and sit and eat with mommy. Eat with which mommy? Because me done, I tell her say me not eat none. But anyway, me only hear my son give out, no, 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 I'm okay. I already eat and my belly is full. I don't want any. People me want laugh and can't laugh, and the people in place, because me say no, me have to keep it in, because me I say in my mind say, so the grandmother prepared the crepe mixture and everything, and she is fully aware, say we're going to make it and we're going to eat it together. So why she full up the pitney belly that him no want none and him no hungry when him come at the meeting? Suspicious much, not truth. I want to laugh and can't laugh. But anyway, me sit down there cool, quiet, poker face, right through. Now tell me why my son ever get up, come over to me and said, Mommy, you eat it, it's for you. Oh, me laugh. So I look at him and I said, no, baby, you sit and you eat yours. He said, no, mommy, it's you to eat it. It's for you. I made it for you. So me I look at him and me I look at the crepe. Me I look at him and me I look at the crepe. So I said, no. You sit down and you have yours, and after you have yours, mommy will have hers. He did not even want to smell it. So the social worker go turn to me and said to me, well, at least taste it to make him feel appreciated or something. Oh, she attacked me, love. You know, no, since the pitney no want none, so me if you be the guinea pig for eat this or something I want the grandmother prepare, make it make sense. The match not maxed in. So I look at the social worker and I tell her, no. Miss Nadia official don't play that. No, 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 no. So my son now, clearly now him get upset, yeah, because him say me not eat it. So my son now start behave poorly. You understand what me I try to say? And don't palm me if you eat this crepe thing and whatever. So I just sit there because at the end of the day, you can't to discipline your kid anyway in front of the social worker them I love. So you have to just sit down there and just let whatever is happening and just watch the circus. So my son show him like a tantrum and go on with himself until the meeting done, my love. I know I'm gonna put one spoonful of the crepe in my mouth and the social worker them don't want me if you eat it and me, me not even want to touch it. Anyway, at the end of the meeting, the social worker then pack up the rest of the butter, give it to my son, and send him on him way. When the social worker then come back in the room, if come sit and talk to me, because at the end of each meeting, them talk to me and ask me like, how was the meeting, all of these question, whatever. When them come back in, my love, them start tell me how me let down my son and how my son was disappointed that I would not eat the crepe and how this was not da 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 da. Me said, listen me, why would I eat from somebody who I try send me God prison, my love? Look like my fool? And if the pitney come and the pitney himself no want to eat it, why should I eat it? Like, yeah, so the social worker go look at me and tell me, say, she taste it, so nothing is wrong with it. So I look at me, I say in my mind, well, that's your choice. Like, if you eat it and you think nothing wrong with it, that's your choice. Yeah, I mean, know the woman probably act you know that correct. Like, I don't know why the pitney don't want none. And me not go sit down and eat nothing from this woman yard. Like, why they think that was a good idea? So now my son gone home vex. And me and the social worker them disappointed. So yeah, me in my mind, well, my son can vex and no can keep on a disappointment. My love and me will keep my life because I don't know what was in that crepe butter and I don't want to find out. I know what I want to feel about this in the comment section because this, yeah, this take the cake, literally.